If you want to play itch.io games on Windows, this video will show you the simplest way to download and launch them step by step. A lot of people get confused the first time they use itch.io because some games are paid, some are free, and some download as compressed folders instead of a normal installer. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the whole process clearly, from finding the game on the website to extracting the files and opening the game on your PC. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the itch.io website in your browser. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the game you want to play. Type in the title of the game, browse the results, and then click the game you want from the list. This will open the games page, where you can usually find screenshots, details, and the download options. After that, look for the download now button and click it. In many cases, itch.io will show a pop-up asking if you want to leave a tip for the creator. If that happens and you just want the free download, click "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." That will take you straight to the file options without paying anything. Next, click the download button to start downloading the game files to your computer. Depending on the game, the file may download as a zip folder or another compressed file type. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and find the file you just downloaded. Now right-click the file and choose Extract All. This step is important because many itch.io games are packed inside a compressed folder and you need to unpack them before the game can run properly. When the extraction window appears, choose the folder location you want, then click Extract. After that, open the extracted folder. Inside, you should see the game files, including the main executable. Look for game.exe and double-click it to launch the game. If Windows shows a warning or asks for permission, just confirm that you want to run it, as long as you downloaded the game from the official itch.io page. Once the game opens, you're ready to play. That's really all there is to it. Search for the game on itch.io, open the game page, click Download Now. Skip the Tip Popup if you want the free download. Download the file, extract it, and run game.exe. It's a super simple process once you know where everything is. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, and leave a comment if you want help with any other PC game or app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.